An employee is tricked into downloading a free AI coding assistant by unpacking an extension zip file instead of using the Chrome Web Store. This attacker-hosted extension silently replaces URLs in text files with phishing links, leading victims to malicious sites. SquareX offers a comprehensive policy library that enterprises can deploy in seconds to counter web-based threats. The policy to block suspicious browser extensions leverages multiple detection techniques, including behavioral analysis, heuristics, dynamic execution, and AI-driven classification. Once activated, it instantly blocks malicious extensions, preventing users from enabling them again. Admins receive detailed insights about the extension and the IOCs for effective threat hunting. SquareX protects enterprises from hundreds of web attacks, including sophisticated browser extension-based threats. Visit sqrx.com to explore more demos.